भी विराम करने वाले नहीं हैं।
दिल्ली को विकास चाहिए, आपसी सद्भाव चाहिए।
स्वराज का कानून पास किया जाएगा और दिल्ली को पूर्ण राज्य का दर्जा मिलेगा।
Promises galore, decibel levels high. It is a high voltage election campaign on the streets of Delhi. About 12 million voters are being wooed by all political parties. Arvind Kejriwal, the chief ministerial candidate of Aam Aadmi Party or AAP, is confident of coming back. In 2014, he and his party had made headlines by defeating national parties like the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Indian National Congress. But he quit within 49 days of governing Delhi. Will the voters trust him again?
The people had seen in 49 days of our rule how we controlled corruption in Delhi, how we slashed the prices of electricity by 50%, how we provided water free. So they trust us.
It's a close fight. Looking at the rising popularity of AAP, the BJP has introduced Kiran Bedi, a former police officer, as their chief ministerial candidate. And taking no chance, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi is himself addressing rallies in the city.
It's an election. Election is always a challenge. We take every election seriously. We take every opponent seriously. And that is why you find that we are persisting with a lot of things which are very close and important for us.
Questions are being asked to all parties, especially to Congress, which had ruled for 15 years. They are not in the race for first two positions, but for all the parties, winning Delhi is most important.
The moment Mr. Narendra Modi starts to lose elections and his winning spree that we have seen in the last 8 months is broken, that's when the decline of the ruling BJP could start.
Delhi votes for its 70-seat assembly and votes will be counted on February 10th.
The battleground is ready. On the one hand is the campaigner against corruption and on the other hand the crusader for development. For one it is a challenge to come back and for the other it is important to be in power. Will it be a turning point in Indian politics? We have yet to see. Ravinder Bava, CCTV, Delhi.